Albinism is the congenital absence of melanin in an animal, plant, or person, resulting in white hair, feathers, scales and skin and pink eyes. Individuals with the condition are referred to as albino. Varied use and interpretation of the terms mean that written reports of albinistic animals can be difficult to verify. Albinism can reduce the survivability of an animal. For example, it has been suggested that albino alligators have an average survival span of only 24 hours due to the lack of protection from UV radiation and their lack of camouflage to avoid predators. It is a common misconception that all albino animals have characteristic pink or red eyes. However, this is not the case for some forms of albinism. Familiar albino animals include inbred strains of laboratory animals, but populations of naturally occurring albino animals exist in the wild, for example Mexican cave tetra. Albinism is a well-recognized phenomenon in mollusks, both in the shell and in the soft parts. It has been claimed by some, for example, that albinism can occur for a number of reasons aside from inheritance, including genetic mutations, diet, living conditions, age, disease, or injury. However, this is contrary to definitions where the condition is inherited. Oculocutaneous albinism is a clearly defined set of 7 types of genetic mutations which reduce or completely prevent the synthesis of eumelanin or pheomelanin, resulting in reduced pigmentation. Type I oculocutaneous albinism is the form most commonly recognized as albino, as this results in a complete absence of melanin in the skin, hair/fur/feathers, and pink pupils. However, this has led many to assume that all albinos are pure white with pink pupils, which is not the case. In plants, albinism is characterized by partial or complete loss of chlorophyll pigments and incomplete differentiation of chloroplast membranes. Albinism in plants interferes with photosynthesis, which can reduce survivability. Some plant variations may have white flowers or other parts. However, these plants are not totally devoid of chlorophyll. Terms associated with this phenomenon are hypochromia and albiflora.